Hey kids, look over here. Our little green Jeep is ready for an epic adventure. Can it survive the mud, the rocks, and the swamps? Let's find out together. Whoa! Did you see that splash? The Jeep's tires are spinning super hard in the mud.
Oh, it's stuck. Do you think it can get out? Shout it with me. Go Jeep, go. Yes, it's moving again. Now it's crossing a shaky wooden bridge. Careful, don't fall. Phew, that was close.
Look, the Jeep is driving through the swamp splash. Mud and water everywhere. And now, through the jungle, branches are poking it, but our little Jeep is super strong. Oh no, another truck is stuck. Can the Jeep help? Watch, pull. Yes, it saved the day.
And now, here comes the big challenge. A sandy hill. The wheels are digging in. Dirt flying, will it make it?
Woohoo! It climbed all the way up. What a hero!
Now it's crossing a river splash.
Whoa, did you see that jump? The Jeep flew through the air. From mud, to rocks, to rivers, nothing can stop our green Jeep. It's the bravest little car ever. And that was awesome, right kids? Do you want to see more crazy adventures with our toy cars and trucks? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and come back for the next ride only on Wheelio TV.